You might have come across people who have failed in small businesses, and there are people who take up complex business and then they become very successful in that. What is the difference? Their perceptive intelligence. Where you do not find an opportunity with a lower level of consciousness, there you find abundance of opportunity in higher level of consciousness. You are blessed to the extent of your conscious opening. Using Srividya, you can become abundant. Rich is a small part. So if you do Srividya in a perfect Advaita fashion, it expands your perceptive intelligence. And once that is expanded, once you have a true desire, sky is the limit. Oh, so you want to become rich. Using Srividya, you can become abundant. Rich is a small part. Rich is having a lot of money. But you can become abundant using Srividya. What happens is, in our life, they say, what your mind perceives or what you mentally, emotionally, physically feel in your life, that is your reality. To change your life, you have to change your mind. For example, in your daily life, you might have experienced or you might have come across people from various strata, from your housemaid to you might have come across accidentally or somehow met few rich or abundant people in their life. Now, if you observe the way you think, the way your homemade things, or the way your official boss thinks or your friends think, there is a difference. The higher the thinking level, the level of consciousness, higher the level of perceptive intelligence, higher the person's comfort and abundance and richness in life. Are you able to understand? I keep saying this. Once upon a time, there was an amateur news reporter. He was sent to report the captain's birthday celebrations on a naval dock. Because he was amateur, he was given that captain's birthday celebration is not a big deal, big news. So he went there and then he came back with a long face saying, there is no big news today. Why? The captain's birthday got cancelled, celebrations got cancelled. Why? Because there was a hole that has formed in the hull of the ship, naval vessel. So every naval officer is busy repairing that, assisting or repairing that. So celebrations are called off. The senior reporter said, oh God, this is such a big news, because a hull having a hole in it, naval ship hull having a hole in it is a very big news. The amateur who is sent for a captain's birthday celebration came with a long face. The senior who understands what is news found an opportunity there. Where you do not find an opportunity with a lower level of consciousness, there you find abundance of opportunity in higher level of consciousness. You find an opportunity. There are businessmen who never fail. Most of their ventures are successful. Most of their business processes they are always successful. There are people who start a small business and they fail. You might have come across people who have failed in small businesses, and there are people who take up complex business and then they become very successful in that. What is the difference? Their perceptive intelligence, aptitude. Nobody knows everything, but people with a higher level of consciousness who can understand and grasp. Are you able to understand? Now, they have a higher chance. So, Srividya, the Sanatana Dharma says, Life is multidimensional. Existential intelligence is only capable to give you, if you want money, God doesn't come with a suitcase full of money to you and say, take it. Tirupati Balaji, very famous God in India. So many people go, so many people ask for so many things. Have you noticed? Very rich people, they go and offer a lot of gold ornaments to the God, saying, I asked for some solution, and then Tirupati Balaji. There are many people who go there with a 100 rupees ticket, and many people, even they ask, now you are blessed to the extent of your conscious opening. Tirupati Balaji gives crores and crores of business opportunity for a big shot, and he definitely blesses a normal man too. But the blessing has to be received, and you can only receive the blessing to the extent of your own conscious opening. So Srividya is a science that expands your consciousness, your perceptive intelligence, your ability to understand and perceive the higher intelligence and apply it in your life. Srividya is all about intelligence. Higher the intelligence, higher the benefit of life. Lower the intelligence, lower the benefit of life. So with Srividya, you can have abundance. It can enhance your intelligence and make you apply your intelligence. And how you apply your intelligence is up to you. In what field you want to apply your intelligence is up to you. To what extent you want your intelligence to manifest within your life, that depends on your desire. So if you do Srividya in a perfect Advaita fashion, it expands your intelligence, perceptive intelligence. And once that is expanded, once you have a true desire, sky is the limit. Abundance is always yours. Because the truth is, the Sanatana Dharma always insisted on this. I am, for every person that is the reality. The I am pulsation within him. I am born to succeed because I am designed to succeed.